Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's planting time now for dahlias, and dahlias are wonderful. They flower summer right into autumn time. So certainly from July, last year they went until the end of October. We got a mild autumn. Some lovely varieties in the web shop. Have a look. Varieties like Zoe Ray, yellow and pink, and Vancouver, pink and white. Pure lilac there, lilac time. All excellent bright, good strong growers. And yellow star, yellow, and of course a Y, always popular, lovely pink and white like that, and veritable in purple and white. Now they're all planted the same way. Have a look in the web shop. They're all in the web shop. You look at the tuber like that, you take the tuber out, and then you find last year's stem, and you see last year's stem. Now, every tuber looks different, but point last year's stem upwards and cover them down to about that depth there. You're going to need the super thrive at the bottom, well compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. And of course you need a good sunny and free draining spot for dahlias to do well. So dahlia planting time is here. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.